don still bring una ogbonge informate on top with tori for today. As Federal Executive Council meeting wey shele for State House Abuja don approve more road projects for the country. This na the second meeting of the Federal Executive Council meeting, the one wey shele for State House Abuja, and na the 43 new ministers wey just dey President Muhammadu Buhari cabinet na im tanda gidigba put for this meeting. As President Muhammadu Buhari na im sidon put on top this meeting. The fake meeting so shook eye put and approve for memo, the one wey Ministry of Works and Housing wey dey present come for the meeting. Two for this memo na the completion of Oba Nnewi Oga Okigwe Road, the one wey dey for Anambra and Imo State. As the money wey dey on top the road before na 3.7 billion naira, but as dem shook eye for the project well, they con carry am waka go 4.3 billion naira. Na so dem still shook eye put for the contract, the one wey dey shele for Ale Zugep Road, the one wey dey Cross River, and dem carry am from 9.16 billion naira waka go 11.22 billion naira.
That was a place where trucks used to break down regularly during the rainy season. That has stopped because the contractor is making progress, so we want him to finish. So we are revising his course. So you are not hit there in the rainy season this year because government has fixed that road now, but we want to complete it.
The council still approved the completion of Chanchangi Bridge, the one wey dey link Takum and Wukari local government area road, wey dey Taraba State. Minister of Work and Housing, Babatunde Raji Fashola, he give ogbonge informate on top why this road matter be like this.
We had to change the contractor there. He had abandoned the site, so he was re-awarded at the cost of 2.132 billion naira. And the final approval we got today was for Katsina Ala Bridge, which has also been in the news. It was also the subject of a House resolution because of its deteriorating conditions. So the expansion joins a lot of repair works to be done there. Our contractor has started. So we did it as an emergency procurement approved by law, but we still had to come to council for approval and ratification. So that has been done.
Dem put 3.56 billion naira put for the project where dem go take repair, expand roads dem, as dem go rearrange 3.2 kilometer road, the one wey dey Ogboma Junction for Benue State. Minister of Sports and Youth Development for the country, Sunday Dare, he said talk for the Federal Executive Council meeting as im give clear informate on top how the waka wey Naija sports people than athletes dem wey dem go for the All African Games, the one wey shele for Morocco. As he talk say this waka go well, when Naija take carry second position, the one wey dem dey after Egypt, and dem carry 127 medals, and 74 for the medals wey Naija carry na women athletes na im win am.
Performance this time is rated as one of the best because we have seen a resurgence of a few other sports that Nigeria never had any gold in before. We had gymnastics coming back. In canoeing, we won 2 gold medals. Athletics, where we had witnessed a bit of doldrum, we came first on the athletics table in Morocco. Interestingly too, in the past, our gold medal table was improved because of the para athletes. This time around, for the first time, we didn't have the para athletes, yet we were able to bring in as many goals as possible.
Sunday Dare talk say dem put the athletes dem for camp for 7 weeks, and if to say dem stay past this 7 weeks, dem for win pass the kind medal wey they carry come give them for house.
Ultimately, Morocco will serve as a benchmark as we prepare for the 2020 Olympics, June next year. Our athletes will be going to Doha on Saturday for the Doha meet, which is almost the equivalent of the Olympics. And from the outcome in Doha, Nigeria can start to either count its gold or bronze or silver medals when it comes to the Olympics.
Now here we see the better informate reach on top with tori for today. As for the Federal Executive Council meeting wey shele for State House Abuja, e don approve extra more road projects for the country, and this one na make infrastructural development for the country make it tanda well. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge and clear informate so na T-Live Media na im bring am come give una on top with tori for today. And to continue to dey get dis sharp and clear informate as e dey shele for we country, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe to we YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. And now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook for T-Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to dey get ogbonge informate as e dey shele.